Is it recording?
Yeah, right. Wait, put the glove on top of it. There's like a split guard.
Peter Piper picked. Okay. So put the glove over. See if this works. Hopefully. Okay.
It looks so weird.
Peter Piper. Okay, that actually works. That's good. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Yeah, it doesn't do the when you do the sound of the P, because if you didn't have this over it, then it would sound like Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Oh.
But since it has this glove over it, it goes Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers normally.
Oh.
Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Yeah. Okay, so that works.
Yeah.
That's good to know.